4, 3, 2. Yo!
Hi. Hi.
My awesome shirt.
Yeah.
Hey Trevor. Hey everybody from Mountains View. Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
She's my
Message
sister.
for all of you.
This is my second video. My second one. Yo, Halloween was
Number
awesome.
2. Number 2.
Oh.
God. Dang, Darren.
Ha! Ha! Your mom.
Yo, Mama.
All your mamas.
Your mom.
All of your moms. Ryan, shut your phone up! God, hold on, where's my phone?
You should quit that.
Slow motion.
My hair's
The
awesome.
coolest gecko in the world.
Okay.
David. My
We're
David.
gonna publish this video.
Yeah, now everybody knows of David's power. His godliness.
I live with these people.
She's gonna skip me, my sister.
feel
Her mom's getting married to my dad.
Your mom lives with these people. Your mom. Awesome, what's the...
Our mom.
Read my shirt. Read my shirt.
What's shaking? No one cares. Oh yeah, everybody cares about my shirt.
Of course they do.
Cause it's emo. Sorry, Mom.
Elmo is ah!
I don't want to read some gay emo thing.
Ryan.
Ah, nasty.
Awesome. Guess what this says?
Note to self.
Note to self: don't listen to Austin for a really good reason. Ow! A reason.
And that's why.
I am so short.
Yeah, you are.
Not
so
as
tall.
tiny as Dakota.
She's a midget. She's a small person.
Oh.
Get him away from the lens.
This is a Snuggie.
Snuggie.
It's so warm. It has arms. It has
Can
sleeves.
anybody figure out this code?
See, look, watch. No, move. I'm still doing the Snuggie thingy. Get off my toe. Where is it? Sorry for the blackout. Okay, here it is. Ta-da! It is so cool. I'm gonna bouncy. Okay. I'm not gonna hit my head.
Can anybody figure out this code?
Get off my computer.
Right there.
You're scaring the crap.
What? W-E-L-M-M-L.
Email.
W-E-M-L. Whatever, Major Loser.
Oh,
Woo!
So we're gonna go now. So
What?
Get
I mean,
off.
what?
Swear to God.
Ever Major.
so yeah, we're gonna go now. So why don't you say goodbye?
Bye. Peace.
After Austin shows this little paper.
Just go Packers. Durand is the best.
Okay, peace!
Packers rule!
Packers!
Clear.
Base!